Good night. My name is Grabando Ramirez, course Red Logistic Processes, group number 15, Implementation and Recommendations to Apply your Strategy for a Reverse Logistics System on the company. Selected was plastic, brief description of the material. Plastic was recovery option that the plan consists identify priorities, results to implement, and communication with client. Priorities complies with legislation, improves the level customer service, competitive raise reason in the market, recovery of the value of the product or results, profit margin, and social responsibility. The best proposal for the company will be recycling and reusing. Meet set objectives, identify reusable items, manage waste collection, identify destination or the waste or material, classification and characterization of the elements as in disposition which will provide the material. Objectives of the company. Environmental reason, comply with current legislation and regulation. Economic reason, raw material cost, reduce the risk of material responsibilities, recover the value of labor. The next step is to propose the resource that will available. The collection process will be destination to third parts through contracts. The material to be recycling will be recollected. The same will happen with the review and classification. The company will only have the labor using for the storage of the material that meets the characteristics of appropriate quality and of the material recovered through the cleaning and disinfection processes. Therefore, the personnel for this that will be of intermittent activity. The material will enter the company on established that as will in quantities that require store. Communication with client. Lastly, the contact with the client be constant to the service lines. A small group will be determined on principle and it will be established if necessary to increase the service capacity. On the other hand, the collection will be scheduled with the clean and the collection through another company. This will have its own design and control of reverse logistics. In this sense, our company will establish audits which will verify and qualify this system to identify strengths and weaknesses and to be able to meet the objectives.